Hello, and welcome to the section 5 of Automated UI Testing in Android video course. Previously, we improved our testing framework to handle various complex cases which can be applicable for many different technologies. In this section, we'll pay more attention to Android-specific functionality. In particular, we'll take a look at control application state for Android native application, deep linking, killing application process in background, upgrade scenarios, start-stop switch between applications. And we'll start with the first video of controlling application state. In all our previous samples, we've reinstalled our application under test. Generally, it's quite time-consuming operation, so we need to optimize it the same level of reliability. In this video, we'll introduce the use of command line for application manipulation. We'll create general interface for interacting with the device via command line. Also, we'll implement application reset and uninstall. Additionally, we'll add functionality to set current date time. In the end, we'll update our sample test with a new functionality and make sure that they are running the same way. So let's start with the implementation. In order to provide such interaction, we need to create a new system_utils class which provides methods for ADB command line calls. So, let's add the first private method which simply runs the command line. We'll wait for the process to complete within 3 minutes. Next important part is the path to ADB utility. If you followed setup instructions, the path to Android SDK is stored in Android Home variable. We can use it to access ADB utility, and it is wrapped in getADBPath method. Now we can implement several operations handled by ADB commands. They are setting date time on the device. It is important for some simulators like Genymotion, which can lose the track of time and some date may appear in the past. Cleaning application data. Application uninstall. Here are commands implementing the above operations. Let's implement them in the system_utils class. Thus, we create systemTime method. It forms command line array. There can be two variations. If we have device ID defined, we add additional option with the -s with the device ID provided. Similar structure will be used for all other methods using ADB utility. Next method is reset app data. We can copy method skeleton and add varying options. Here we call package manager utility and its clear operation. In similar fashion, we'll implement an uninstall app which uses device ID and application ID. We can overload this method to take device ID from the configuration. Let's update our sample test. We'll go to the test command class and add before class static method which uninstalls the application. It should run for Android applications only, so we'll add if statement. Then we'll update before method. Initially, we had full reset capability set to true. That caused application reinstall each test run. Right now, we can set it to false. Also, we can add a few other flags like no reset and don't stop up on reset. And then we add instructions for setting date and clear application data. Now we can run our sample test again to see it works as before. This is it. We've made update to our tests to set proper application state. In particular, we've cleaned the data and set the date time. This way, we don't lose the time on reinstalling application all the time.